Okay, so I'm gonna start with whatever's easiest to me. It looks like it's gonna be the filter, and this right here is the filter housing. It says to make it look the way it's in the picture, and you're gonna get two fittings. So pictures like that. Okay, so you're gonna get two fittings. One of them you're gonna see right away that has a valve, and the other one doesn't. So this one's the valve's the longest one, the longer one. So we're gonna put that one, and then that one, of course. We're gonna try to see if we can put the valve out of the way or something. Let's figure it out. All right, so it says for you to put some Teflon around the fitting. I've already got and I secured it. This swivel, so I think we're still good to go. So the next one I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this one, put it right there like it is on the picture. All right, there you go. Got that one in. Still swivels. Got that one still swivels. Look at the picture. Should be good to go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on the side of the Legendary 70. Let's see how that goes. All right, so as you can see, I've already taken out the fuel bowl and all that nonsense. I didn't show them in the video. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that you guys can follow. Anyhow, this motivator right here gives you all the hardware that you need. And if you look right there on the side of the truck, there's these two holes right there. And well, there's actually three, but I'm guessing that's where you bolt it onto, because it kind of just makes sense. It kind of fits perfectly. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's pretty much secured to the side of the truck. They're both 1/2 inch, the bolt and the nut. So I just went ahead and used a 12 and a 13 and held it from the back. Basically just screw it on from the front, so it should be good to go. So I just went back to check out the instructions, and I just noticed that these plugs right here, it's stating that you should take them off and put some Teflon and tighten them up. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the plugs, they have an Allen, I don't know what size it is, but basically I just trial and error, and I found a Torx 55. So that seems to fit in there pretty well. I'll just figure it out slowly and see what happens. Okay, that should be good to go. I know it should be a little bit sturdier, but I've been recording with one hand, so I think we're good to go. Torx 55. All right, so we've got the regulator, and it says you got this fitting. I'm guessing that you put it through this one because it's the only thing that resembles it. And then it says the O-ring goes to the bottom of the regulator. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I think we squared it away. So the next thing it says is to get the valve, put some Teflon on it, and put it there. So let's do it. Okay, up to right now, I think we're good to go. Let's see. It says the same lines that you disconnect from the factory fuel regulator. I just regulated IO. Okay, so now we're going to get the fuel return hose, and we're going to go and screw it to the bottom of the regulator, and it should be opposite to the mounting bracket. Okay, so what I did is I primed the filter. I connected the two lines. I went through under the brake booster. They're coming up to right there. I went ahead and installed the regulator. So now the first thing that I did is this hose coming from the fuel line coming from here, from the passenger side. I connected it to there. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect the driver's side to this one right here. All right, so the second line has been connected to this driver's side of the regulator. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this return line and connect it back to the return line on the vehicle. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is that the filter housing is marked with letters A and B. What we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and take the letter A, and we're going to go ahead and connect it to the top of the fuel line, fuel pump, and letter B, we're going to connect it to the bottom of the fuel pump. Okay guys, so we should be good to go. Once again, the A line, we connected it right here, and the B line, we connected it over there. A, B. All right guys, so everything is good to go. I put everything back already.